We are here on Ms. Harrison's objection to the referee recommended order. She did submit a transcript of the referee hearing as required. The court has read the objection. Ms. Harrison, is there anything else you'd like to say? You don't need to repeat what you've already put in writing.
Nope, Your Honor. I just want to say that I have recently been diagnosed with another tumor on my pituitary gland, and I'm just asking for some specifics to be put in place for the order.
Okay.
I do all of the.
Let me ask you, do you object to the week on, week off schedule?
I do not.
Okay.
My only thing, Your Honor, is for the kids' schooling. We live over an hour away from each other. So as long as he's going to commit to getting them to school, and our youngest son is special needs and getting him to therapy, I don't object to the week on, week off.
Okay, let me just stop you there, Mr. Woodard. First of all, can you be in a place where you don't have to move?
Yes, I'm going there now. Sorry, it got loud where I was at. I'm at work.
That's why I was asking you if you're in your quiet place. So
yeah, it got loud where I was at. Sorry.
All right, that's fine.
I'll
give you a minute to find it to get seated.
All right. Sorry about that.
Oh.
All right. I'm fine.
Okay. Did you hear what Ms. Harrison said?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a problem with that?
No.
Okay, then I think that issue is cleared up. And Ms. Harrison, do you object to the door Exxon exchange location?
I do.
Okay, so what location do you propose?
I would like it to stay at the Holland Police Department where it was.
Okay.
Like I was saying, Judge, I've just recently been diagnosed with another brain tumor. I do everything, so driving them 45 minutes away a week is just another barrier for me on top of everything else that I'm dealing with.
Okay. Mr. Woodard?
I object to the Holland Police Department. I think it should be somewhere more mutual. Like that's way closer to Miss Harrison. I gotta drive an hour away. So even if I gotta drive 30 minutes, I drive 30 minutes away. But
Okay.
I think we should be able to meet.
Okay.
Every week.
Okay. So where? What would be about halfway between? I know that's,
the door was huh?
She's saying that's 45 minutes for her.
When last time we was in course, I don't know what they call it. So the assistant, she looked it up while we was in the court case, and that's what they came up with the halfway mark.
Your Honor, I do
both our addresses.
I do just ask for the courts to please just keep my health and our special needs child conditions. Like I said, I have a lot on my plate as I'm the one who does everything as far as his therapy. I have a list of my own health issues, and that's just another thing for me.
Okay.
And I'm one person.
Okay. All right. Let me ask, did you both move away out of
No, I've been staying in the same spot. Like I've been trying to get the case moved to Kalamazoo. That's where I've been residing the past 3 years.
Okay. So you're in Mr. Woodard, you're in Kalamazoo, is that right?
Yes.
And Ms. Harrison, you're in Holland?
I am.
Okay, so neither one of you lives in Kent County. The problem is Ottawa County is a county that's contiguous to Kent, and the court rule does not allow us to move it. So, Mr. Woodard, that's the reason you're not successful. It's going to be staying here because we can't move it when there's one party that lives in a county that's contiguous. So I just want to explain why you haven't been successful in getting that happen. We're not allowed to. All right. So, well, typically what the court does in these situations is the person beginning parenting time for their parenting time is the one that does the transportation. So that would mean,
Your Honor,
Now,
I do want
you
to,
need to wait till I finish what I have to say, okay? So that would mean that Mr. Woodard would have to go to Holland when he wanted to start his parenting time. And Ms. Harrison, you would have to go to Kalamazoo when you wanted to start your parenting time. Now, the alternative is for the two of you to meet roughly halfway.
Okay.
That's just where that's what the court does on in these situations.
Mhm.
So I guess, Ms. Harrison, you can choose which one you'd prefer.
I would like to meet in Holland. Since the week on, week
No,
off
that wasn't it.
has,
Hold on. I'm not doing that. I'm not going to make him go to
Mhm.
Holland both ways. Like I said, you can have a choice of meeting halfway, roughly, or that he would come to Holland to pick up for his parenting time and you would go to Kalamazoo to pick up for your parenting time. And those are the two choices I'm giving you. So the one alternative, if you guys meet both halfway both ways, means you have to travel both times, at least part of the way. The other alternative is you wouldn't have to travel at the beginning of his parenting time, but you would have to travel at the beginning of yours.
I'm okay with either one, Judge.
Right.
it is what it is at this point, but my whole thing is he's not even
I
done a
understand
week.
I understand you've already explained all of that, and I'm giving you the option.
So I just don't see why we're putting things in place that is not going to work when we leave this courtroom.
All right, well, again, I'm asking you a very simple question. Which would you prefer, the halfway meeting, or you go to Kalamazoo for your parenting time, he comes to Holland to pick up for his parenting?
I guess halfway, but Dora's not halfway for me.
Okay, then give me another alternative.
We can meet in Grand Rapids.
Where?
We can meet at Metro Hospital in Wyoming, Granville area.
Mr. Woodard?
Whatever Miss Harrison want to do, Judge. Because
Okay.
I'm okay with going to Holland to pick them up. Like I get them this Friday if I need to go to Holland to pick them up. But then on her days when this drop off, she gotta come to Kalamazoo. I'm fine with that too. But whatever
Okay.
Miss Harrison want to do, I'm okay with it.
Okay, can you meet at Metro Hospital, both directions?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, and are the children, Ms. Harrison, are the children's current medical and ABA services being maintained under the current order? I mean, are they going to those services?
That's another issue. Mr. Woodard's insurance has been blocking ABA services. None of the centers accepts his insurance, so I've been trying to get him to remove the youngest off the insurance so he can get back in services, but that has been unsuccessful as well.
Okay, Mr. Woodard, what's the
Yes.
problem? with that?
The last time I came into the court with you guys back in May, I had spoke with the honorable judge at that time, and
That was the
so
referee. That was the
yeah,
referee.
I had talked to the referee and let her know the same concern Miss Harrison just said, and she said I was court ordered to have them on my
Okay,
court
all right.
on my yeah
Okay, I think I can fix that. I can help you because obviously this child needs
yeah.
services. And if Ms. Harrison, if he removes the child from his insurance, then make that child
Then
eligible for Medicaid.
we just waiting. We literally, he's
Okay.
had his
Okay.
assessment done. We're just waiting
All
on
right.
the insurance.
All right. So Mr. Woodard, I will modify your order and indicate that child, what is that child's initials, Ms. Harrison? We're live streaming, so I don't want to say the name.
LW Junior.
Okay, so LW Junior
Yeah.
is to be removed as soon as possible from the insurance.
Okay.
Thank you.
Would you be able to send that to my employer, ma'am?
That would be up to you to provide to your employer, but we'll try to get that.
Okay.
We'll try to get that
Okay.
order out as soon as possible because obviously it's very important for this child to start having those services.
Okay.
Ms. Van Oller, do we have his email?
Yeah, I just received the Zoom link.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see. And Mr. Woodard, has a friend of the court contacted you about the child support recalculation yet?
Yeah, I had some, as soon as I got it, I sent in my check stubs and everything like that.
Okay. All right. Well then, again, the two of you are to immediately begin exchanging at Metro Hospital. The court will adopt the week on, week off schedule. I will modify the order also to indicate that the youngest or the LW junior be removed from Mr. Woodard's insurance. Yes, Mr. Woodard.
I just,
Also, can we place a time? Because I just want to be fair with Miss Harrison because I work 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Some days I work 7 a.m. to 7
Okay,
p.m.
okay. What time? What time would you like?
4 p.m.
Ms. Harrison, can you do that?
that is doable for me, Your Honor. I am also just asking that with this week on, week off with our youngest son in ABA services, the therapy is, in order for it to be effective, we have to both attend parenting meetings so we can learn
Mm-hmm. Right.
coping mechanisms to teach him at home. Mr. Woodard does not do that. So he struggles when he has him. So I'm just asking that can something be put in place
Yes.
so that he's
Yes.
able to learn how to help his son just as well as I do?
Yes. I'll include that Mr. Woodard is to participate in the ABA therapy. I understand that you may not be able to attend all of the sessions.
I can't, ma'am, because like right now you guys is taking a lot out of my checks every week, and in order for me to live and pay my bills and sustain, I gotta work more because like Miss Harrison is getting $468 every
Okay,
week out of
I'm
my
not
check.
going to get into that. Again, you need help with how to parent this child. So, and it's very important that you be involved. I understand that you may not be
It's
able.
either that or not pay child support. I can't. Is one of the two?
Okay, I understand. And again, the child support's been referred to the front of the court, so that discussion can be had with them about that. But the ABA therapy is very important for this child.
Okay, any way you can contact them. That happened over almost a month ago. Like our
That's,
court
no,
date's been over a
that would
month.
be it's going to take more than a month, but that would be up to you to talk to them. So
They don't even answer anything that I send them. I send them
again,
everything.
again, I understand, but it takes, it's not, you're
So
not.
you can't say that you're gonna put me in place of going to a place where I have to be at work, ma'am.
I understand, and we're not going to continue going over the same thing. I understand that. But I'll also indicate that ABA therapy is to work with it, the best they
Yeah.
can to work with your work schedule.
Okay.
All right. I mean, there's a balancing here. So, all right. Thank you. We're all set.